I'm Las Vegas criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. It's becoming more and more common for people in Nevada to have their own drones, especially to take aerial photos to post on social media. But they need to be careful because flying a drone in the wrong place can carry hefty state and federal penalties. Here are 3 things you need to know. 1. Under NRS 493.109, flying a drone within 5 miles of an airport in Nevada is a misdemeanor. Penalties can include up to $1,000 in fines and/or up to 6 months in jail. You also may face additional criminal charges if the drone endangers persons or aircraft. 2. People face those same misdemeanor penalties for flying a drone too near a, quote, critical facility. Examples of critical facilities include petroleum refineries, chemical manufacturing plants, water or waste treatment centers, oil pipelines, prisons and jails, mines, or power lines. And 3, drones must be registered with the FAA unless they weigh 0.55 pounds or less. Otherwise, the FAA may impose a civil fine of $27,500 as well as criminal penalties of up to 3 years in prison and/or up to $250,000 in fines. If you or a loved one is facing charges in Nevada, call my legal team at 702-DEFENSE for a free consultation. The attorneys of the Las Vegas Defense Group are here to fight for the best resolution possible in your case.